me from my friends. That I don't control you better. I can, and any girl like you deserve a gentleman. Tell me why are we wasting time? Dah, yuk. Oke, sabar. Saya ini thumbnail dulu. Ganti thumbnail dulu. Dah yuk. Aduh, tiba-tiba baru mulai. Mana ya thumbnailnya ya? Ini. Ayo mas, maaf mas, musuhnya nungguin. Sabar ya, belum buka komen ya aku nih. Sabar bro. Hai bro, aku tinggal berokok dulu, gak ada nonton nih. Iya. Oke. Terima kasih Sorjono sudah mampir lagi. Mantap. Lo upload ini ya bro? Upload video baru ya? Oh iya. Kena apa namanya? Kena Lily, Alan Walker. Udah kena copyright ya bro kemarin. Oke. Udah pada turu kayaknya bro, udah pada tidur kayaknya. Gabut gue duluan aja. Gue mau beli rokok, gabut nonton doang. Oke. Siap. Siap mas. Saya paling nggak lama kok. Bentar doang. Capek.
The Camp Nou once again decorated in the colours of Barcelona. This is what greets the
udah ada
players
Camp Nou
every
ya?
time.
Udah ada Camp Nou ya?
Just joining us, we are already on the way.
Ay, salah. Sorry.
Ruffled a few feathers, but well dealt with.
Aduh.
Oh, good ball. He's got the shot away. It's a pretty loose pass.
Gitu ya? Bagus Frankie Dion. Ke kanan ada Neymar. Itu murid. Florian, come on.
Face to face with the keeper. Tries a shot.
Ya.
They've scored.
Let's go. Gol pertama malam ini.
Oh, beautifully dispatched. There was no reaching that.
Ngomong aja udah
Now that's what I
belibet-belibet tuh.
call finishing, right in the corner. He knew instinctively who was where and didn't need to waste any time
Tapi
weighing
long
things
ball
up.
gitu.
That's a cracking goal.
Emang long ball counter apa ya bener.
Barcelona didn't expect this, that's
Mungkin.
for sure. What can they do now? Mahrez
What can they
pulls
do
it back.
now?
And out it comes again. Oh, that is asking for
Waduh.
trouble.
Rada bahaya
He's
juga
gone
itu.
down, but the
Tackle.
referee just... And they've been caught out here.
Melek pak.
And the shot!
Untung aja.
It's off target and by quite a way.
Siapa itu
I'm not sure what he
Dembele?
had in mind, and I don't think he knew either.
Well
Bagus
intercepted, and it
sekali.
certainly needed to be. And there's his chance to lead the counter.
Otavio. Wirtz.
Yet
Florian.
another to add to football's endless list of could-haves and should-haves.
Arsenal
Bagus.
clearly didn't help themselves by telegraphing that one. It was
Okay.
always going to be intercepted.
Pedri
Pedri.
stands up to him well and emerges with the ball. That's poor
Eh.
pass, too easily intercepted.
Lo. Bagus. Otavio. Aduh, kok ngelek-ngelek gitu sih? Bagus. Untung aja. Dia gocek-goceknya bagus tuh. Aduh, ngelek banget pak, sumpah.
Bruno Fernandes, well seen,
Bagus.
saw that
Frenkie
coming.
de Jong.
Neymar has created one goal already.
Langsung
Oh,
over
that's a
top pada
key
Neymar.
interception. Can he stop it going out?
Fix.
Oh, he's picked out the runner,
Bagus banget passingnya.
and that has left him in a heap. Goes down, but nothing given. He's in, surely!
Ya Allah. Ngelek.
It's out for a goal kick.
Ngelek pak. Kenapa ya kok gitu banget?
And it's Inzaghi. And that interception was most necessary.
Gue kan juga pengen megang bola. Bagus
Fitz.
Florian, ayo Florian.
Oh, it's a
Penalti.
mistimed tackle, and
Yeah.
it is a penalty.
Yeah.
Arsenal presented with a golden opportunity here. Ter Stegen looking to stare down to unsettle the taker.
Oke, Neymar masuk.
It's in the
Allah
upright.
Akbar. Tiang
That
pak.
has drawn
Bisa-bisa
gasps of
ya loh.
disbelief.
A cool head was
Astaga.
needed there, and we got anything but.
Bisa-bisa
Jeffrey
ya
Kondogbia.
tiang. Terlalu kenceng katanya. Kencengan
Oh, it's
loh.
Dembele. João Cancelo.
Cancelo.
Dembele.
Dembele. Iya bener kan
Okay,
Dembele.
less said about that pass, the better.
Bagus Frenkie de Jong.
And now
Come
the
on Frenkie.
breakaway.
Passing.
Partey.
Aduh. Berat banget.
Bruno Fernandes.
Oh.
That's a decent ball. There's a good bit of goal to aim at here.
Woi.
Played up towards the front line. Arsenal
Ngelek-ngelek
can
gini dah.
breathe again. Just.
Well, that tackle was immense, and so was the relief.
Otavio ke tengah.
The great escape.
Oke, ada Inzaghi.
A real chance if he can get through.
Alamak.
They've won a corner.
Neymar, ayo Neymar. Inzaghi, Filippo, come on.
Oh, the ball's run loose here. Final ball not
Alah.
quite right, and his teammates are irritated at that.
Ngelek parah ini pak.
Barcelona can start a counter here.
Tuh. Astaga.
He's got away.
Bagus.
Oh, it's opened up for him.
Astaga.
He's in a great position.
Oh.
Oh, shooting chance.
Gila,
Now, who's going to be
baik banget,
first to
Pak.
this? And that's been
Bagus sekali.
intercepted.
Frenkie de Jong. Makan dulu.
Roberto Carlos.
Out, nice. Cepet. Lebar dia.
Otavio. So just a one early
Kenapa sih
goal
ini?
to report
Kok
so
ngelek
far.
banget ya? Ngelek banget
1-0
ya.
the score.
Lawannya tuh gimana, Pak?
Thinks one through.
Ngelek banget ini. Parah
Otavio.
banget ngeleknya.
Poor pass that, sloppy.
Florian,
Bruno Fernandes.
bahaya tuh Dembele. Iya.
Fiddles it through. He's left his man.
Bagus Tomiyasu.
Has a goal! It's loose and there's a race for the ball.
Ih, ngelek banget gila.
And we've reached half time. So there you have it, a close fought half of football.
Itu dia,
but one
Trent
that still had its
Alexander-Arnold.
moments, but ultimately produced just one goal. A more than decent game up to now.
Just one goal.
How would you review the first half?
Yes, they're behind, but
Kenapa
it's
ya, kok
a
ngelek banget ya?
reversible situation. As long as better defensive focus can avoid a second goal on the counter, they know they have the wherewithal to come up with what they need.
Arsenal leading a cagey game here. It's had its moments, and it's 1-0 at the break.
Sorry, kok tinggal beli rokok tadi, nggak apa-apa, santai aja bang, santai aja mas,
Substitution for Barcelona. Number 7.
aman kok.
And we're off again.
Ousmane Dembele.
Well, 1-0 may be good enough, so they may err on the side of caution and get more players behind the ball instead of running beyond it. They could even try to spoil it from here, we'll see.
Number 6. Number 30.
Filippo Inzaghi.
Ay.
Well, it didn't look good for a while,
Baiknya.
but that was brave defending, and they got away with it.
Oh, super tackle. They were outnumbered and under the cosh. That had to be spot
Oke,
on,
bagus.
and it was.
Tomiyasu.
Referee has just said play on. Oh, he's been flattened there.
Enak sambil
The
ngerokok.
defence proved infallible.
Lihat sambil
then.
ngerokok
That
enaknya.
won't be the last they'll see of
Enak
it.
kali tuh mas, cuma saya nggak ngerokok mas. Tuh alamak, kenapa pula itu? Ngelek-ngelek kali.
Tries the cut back.
Bagus.
Well, they've got it again. Oh, he's felt that, hasn't he? Araujo. Jeffrey
Sabar,
Kondogbia.
sabar aja. Jangan
Good
terlalu
defending
dipres.
there. They've slammed the door in the faces of the opposition.
Mau Neymar,
So what can they make of this?
Neymar, lari Neymar, terus. Ya, ampun.
Neymar. Great position
Aduh,
here.
salah harusnya.
It's all a little bit
Langsung
desperate,
tangan.
but it's got the job done.
Oh, siap
I
main
thought
fokus.
they got
Fokus
off
main aja
lightly
dulu.
there.
Oke,
The
siap
odds
bang.
were stacked against them.
Defenders on the
Ay.
back foot.
Rada delay gitu loh nendangnya. Wah, ini eFootball. Mohon maaf, ini internet saya apa gimana nih? Kalau internet saya live streamnya nggak bener.
And he's on his
Ini kan
way.
gamenya doang.
And the finish.
Ah,
Sticks it away.
nggak apa,
They have
santai,
come
santai.
roaring back. And that really is
Duh.
so impressive.
Oh, that's
Rada ini ya.
wonderful to see. The run was
Rada ngeselin ya.
explosive. The finish.
Malah penalti nggak
Free kick's been given.
masuk.
And the referee has shown him a yellow card.
Kalau mau nanya, nanya aja. Kalau tahu ku jawab. Oke, siap mas. Aman, aman, aman. Di pause sama dia. Ayo. Ayo, hei. Dia ganti pemain dia banyak deh. Heran orang tuh pemain banyak dari mana gitu ya. Kayak gimana gitu. Udah ya. Sabar. Ya. Iya. Itulah apa namanya.
Doesn't get the pass he's looking for.
Filippo, ayo Filippo.
But he could be in.
Aduh. Dapat
Pedri. And it's Tadic.
Dusan Tadic. Tinggal AFK paling.
Oh, good read.
Nggak apa. Kita aja. Kalau ada yang nemenin juga udah syukur-syukur.
He's had a fair
Syukur-syukur
tumble
ada
under
yang
that
nemenin.
challenge. He's gone down, but the referee just tells him to get
Aduh.
back up again.
Aduh, nge-lag tuh, lihat tuh, dia lari kemana tuh? Iya, iya, heeh.
Right, look promising, but the final ball is just not quite right.
Aih, salah passing mulu
And
dari
here's
tadi.
Tadic. Neymar.
Aih,
And here's
sumpah.
Tadic. Couldn't quite squeeze that one through.
Ah,
Hits one!
sumpah Pak, nge-lag banget Pak ini Pak.
The keeper was likely to need
Lebih
his
nge-lag
best
daripada
there,
kemarin.
and he found it.
Now it's Neymar.
Ayo Neymar, terus.
Barcelona needed that. They really needed it.
Oh, that's brilliantly defended, though. It looked destined for a goal.
That's good running with the ball. Pedri.
Barcelona showing a good level of intensity at this stage. They're calling on all their resources now.
Well played. That has
Duh, nge-lag
snuffed out the
banget sih.
danger.
Sumpah ini nge-lag
That's been
banget Pak.
intercepted. Now it's Bruno Fernandes.
Aduh,
Lovely ball into space.
Pedri.
Decent hit!
Sumpah dari tadi diobok-obok kita.
merit full marks for their attitude and application in trying to win this.
Kalau nggak ada
It
yang
means
nemenin live
an
kayaknya
awful
kurang
lot,
semangat.
obviously.
Iya, betul. Kayak orang gila aja. Ngapain ya?
Partey.
Aduh,
Well, it's a
kenapa
nice
nggak ke
idea,
Neymar?
but the execution was lacking.
Neymar, Neymar.
Now it's
Nice.
Neymar.
Duh, nggak dapat mulu Neymar.
Still anyone's game this. One moment
Tapi
could
juga udah
decide it.
merah
Well, a goal either way
stamina-nya.
at this stage would qualify as a steal.
Ngapain tuh? Lihat tuh. Nge-lag
Played
banget.
out towards the right
Sumpah.
wing.
Rada patah-patah. Gamenya Mas, yang gitu. Yang patah-patah emang nge-lag gamenya bukan live streamingnya. Tahu nih kenapa nih
Neymar.
di footballnya. Live streamingnya mah aman, makanya.
The ball
Ini
is
dari
loose
gamenya aja
and the
nih.
chase is on. Morishige.
Tuh, nge-lag gitu.
Good spot. He's seen the run. Aimed in towards the centre.
Ayolah. Ayo
Well,
di
both
football, Konami.
sides might have to
Bener-bener
settle for a
aja lah,
draw
ayo
here,
lah.
although there's still a chance for one last fling.
Wirtz, ayo maju Wirtz. Let's go. Aduh. Kenapa dibalikin ya?
Now it's Pedri. Gets his
Hmm,
pass away.
bahaya.
Oh,
Tengahnya
and
lihat.
he's broken the
Tengahnya
line
lihat.
here. Can he finish?
Awas, awas. Buang. Udah
And he's
buang.
there to
Udah,
clear
seri
it.
aja nggak apa-apa udah.
Oh dear, less
Seri udah nggak apa-apa dah.
past the better.
Ya.
And that will be the final act.
Oke.
Passion and panache and
Rada
perseverance,
pusing ya kalau
and in
main
the end
gitu ya.
parity. A really good game.
Antara deg-degan, kesel juga. Thomas Partey level up. Udah ada top globalnya. Halo Bang, halo Musaki. Oke, coba ya kita main lagi ya kalau ada apa namanya. Kalau nge-lag lagi udah nggak ngerti lagi deh. Selamat datang Musaki. Ntar lupa, saya ngambil minum. Apa? Tidak apa tuh? Video gue yang gue upload kena copyright dari lagunya. Iya, makanya jangan apa, pakainya jangan lagu dari ini, pakainya lagu dari no copyright sound. NCP apa NCS no copyright sound. Iya, NCS ada channelnya deh, lagunya juga enak-enak tuh. Kalau pakai lagu yang license, ada license-nya ya gitu kena. Awalnya juga saya nggak tahu Pak, yang dulu tuh pakai lagunya Naruto sama Cold Water itu kena juga dulu. Cold Water kan yang Justin Bieber, kena juga tuh dulu tuh. Raul, Karim Benzema, Iya nggak terlalu susah lah ya harusnya. AY. Tapi copyright gitu ngaruh ya bang? Apa namanya ke Monet? Nggak dapat iklan atau apa gitu? Soalnya dari CapCut itu males gue ngedit. Iya emang kalau apa kalau namanya kalau emang masih awal-awal masih ini masih semangat ngedit tuh effort, makin kesini aduh malas, makanya saya live streaming aja deh udah deh, live streaming atau enggak ntar di cut bikin konten TikTok, klip TikTok gitu, makanya bikin konten video aduh ngeditnya males pak, belum ditonton ulang lagi
Well, a
kan.
very warm welcome to you on this most pleasantly clear evening. Conditions absolutely
Kalau
beautiful.
nggak salah
Perfect for the beautiful game.
ada
Temperatures
potongannya
are
tak apa yang
kind as
dipotong
well.
juga nggak tahu
No
gua.
doubt playing a hand in high attendance levels as well as an elevated level of anticipation here. Surely
Emang
this
YouTube.
is the hot ticket going around in this neck of the woods. It surely must be.
Ya bener juga sih kalau di ini copyright
The Emirates
gitu,
awash
jadi
with red and white, a sea of Arsenal,
kreator
just as you would
aslinya
anticipate.
tidak merasa dirugikan karya
The action
dipakai.
has already started.
Harus ada license-nya dulu baru bisa dipakai.
Well, Peter, we're about to watch a terrific
Savio.
defender in Carlos Puyol. He lead by example.
Inzaghi, aduh,
Oh, it's come back out.
ya, let's go.
He's done it.
Ini kesikat lagi nih,
Arsenal take the lead.
Florian Wirtz.
He was really quick to react to the initial save, and he has his reward.
Bisa nggak gol loh
That's one
volley
of the
kayak
first
gitu.
things you learn,
Tuh.
whether you're a striker or not. Just anticipate a goalkeeping
Anjay,
power, spillage.
mantap. Ini
Sometimes
abis ini
you get
kesikat.
lucky, they
Lihat,
come your way.
tadi early goal. Habis itu ngelek-ngelek. Kan,
Number 27.
ngelek-ngelek
I doubt
kesikat.
very much that this was in the script. Out to the left it goes.
Ya kan, ngelek-ngelek kan langsung kan.
Pretty loose pass.
Emang nggak suka eFootball sama saya, kayaknya Konami nggak suka dia.
Played out to the right. Opportunity for Arsenal to break.
Nice.
Good spot. He's seen the run. Shots on here.
Eh,
Nice interception. Well timed.
kenapa nggak
Full pass
crossing
that,
aja ya?
sloppy.
Kan.
Octavio. He's in a good position
Ah,
here.
offside.
And the assistant referee has his flag raised for offside.
Oh, setengah kaki pak, setengah badan. Setengah kaki sih, setengah badan. Satu kaki. Bagus Neymar. Neymar maju, nice.
Oh, he's found support out wide. There's a good bit of goal to him. Real
Ya.
chance. It's
Kan,
in.
nggak terlalu susah kan?
Two. And we've barely begun here.
Let's go.
That was easy. Almost too easy.
Well, the finish
That was
looked a guarantee
easy.
once he was found
Almost
all
too
alone,
easy.
and it's criminal defending.
The goal scorer for Arsenal.
Enak kalau nggak ngelek tuh enak main. Walaupun kalah masih bisa terima.
Number 10.
Cuma kalau ngelek-ngelek kayak gini
now
nih.
without reply.
Well, it's been an absolutely fabulous
Oh, iya,
spell
come on.
for them, and they're starting to look unstoppable.
Ai.
There could be more on the way.
Nggak ketendang sama dia.
Good run.
Bagus,
Ultimately
Partey.
thwarted by an astute
Lihat
piece of
Frenkie de Jong.
defending. Crowd appreciates good football all round there.
Ai.
And
Dia
it's
mainnya
Benzema.
quick counter juga deh.
And that interception was
Iya, dia main quick counter
most
juga.
necessary. Rashford
Offside?
finds himself
Rashford.
offside.
2 gol di awal. Harusnya bisa bisa menang lah ya, biar langsung promosi.
Mings,
Eh,
Wirtz. That's a
Inzaghi,
promising ball
kakinya panjang banget gila.
by for Sergio Ramos. And it's Neymar. Oh, good
Ai.
read. Madrid needed that. They really needed it.
Well, that tackle was immense, and so was the relief. The great escape.
He's cut it out.
Itu lawannya orang luar atau orang Indo bang? Kurang tahu bang. Kalau ini nggak ada bendera-benderanya, kecuali dia masang bendera sendiri di profilnya.
Wirtz. And that's been intercepted. And now the breakaway.
How many interceptions have we seen now? Someone's got to up
Bisa
the
jadi orang
quality
dalam,
and
bisa
set
jadi
an
orang luar.
example.
Hampir
Shade
tuh.
too heavy. Keeper can pick that up.
Bola-bolanya tanggung mulu. Ayo.
Well played. That has snuffed out the danger. Otavio.
Oh, Tavio itu. Kirain Wirtz. Waduh.
That was good pressing. Forced the error to
Ngelek
put an
dikit
end
aja
to it
udah
before
kayak-
things could get even more threatening.
Ayo Tavio, kuat. Tuh, ngelek lagi
And
kan.
it's Benzema.
Entah kenapa nih kadang suka ngelek. Kalau nggak ngelek tuh enak
providing
mainnya
an
sebenarnya.
outlet on that flank.
Satu gol.
Well, not the worst
Kalau nggak ngelek
attempt.
tuh
A
enak
little
mainnya.
technical tweak should help the quality.
Ngelek aja nih patah-patah
Drilled
nih.
in low. Vitz.
Yah loh, digebok. Kenapa itu?
Well seen. Saw that coming.
Ambil. Oh, dia ambil sama dia bolanya. Kenapa itu? Barusan tuh?
Benzema. Rashford.
Buang
Cleared
aja,
without
buang.
complication.
Kenapa itu? Tiba-tiba
Throw in.
patah-patah kayak gitu, ngelek kayak gitu. Kayaknya saya harus ngurangin
Picked out the
football.
runner. Chance
Waduh.
for the header.
Waduh, double
He's
save.
done very
Kalau
well
Perkan.
to get to that.
Raul simply
Raul tuh
didn't
legend
do
ya.
anything wrong. He was
Legendary ya
thwarted
dia
by
kartunya ya.
brilliance.
Legend Madrid. Siapa yang ngambil? Raul.
And he's there
Nice,
to clear
bagus.
it.
Bagus, ayo counter. Let's go. Counter ngelek, kocak.
And now a sudden chance to counter.
Alah.
Quite squeezed that
Alah.
one through. And he's in
Alah.
a really good position. Hits
Alam.
one.
Ngelek kan?
They've done it.
Gue izin promosi channel gue ya, Bang.
Razor sharp
Kalau
pass
ada
there.
Oh, Peter,
penonton
you
baru,
can't teach
sorry ya.
that. You
Santai ya,
either
Bro,
have
nggak
it
apa-apa.
or you don't. His anticipation is on another level
Saya
to
juga kadang
everyone else's.
namanya
Superb.
promosi di ini.
We have
Promosi
got
secara
ourselves a
halus.
game here.
I think they can sense a comeback here, and so can this crowd. It's all systems go now.
Roberto
Kadang di
Carlos
youtuber
makes
Indo
the
yang masih
interception.
view-nya masih 200,
Benzema in with the challenge.
masih puluhan. Ayo dong, nggak dipasing-pasing Pak,
That's
ngelek
put
lagi.
paid to a promising move.
Hari-hari ngelek.
Raul.
Enak banget
Oh,
dia.
and he's had a hit.
Ya kan, enak kan kalau nggak ngelek kan dia
Really
mainnya.
well taken goal.
Kena
A
sikat
goal
langsung.
at a really telling moment.
Hari-hari kena sikat.
That really is quite fabulous. All his own doing.
Yeah, that's what the game is all about. Excitement and entertainment. What a lovely
Ya
moment.
ampun. Bagus saya Thomas Partey.
We have ourselves a real game here.
No doubt as to who has the
Ayo
momentum
dong.
here now.
Alah,
The
ngelek
only
mulu.
doubt is how many
Bagus.
is coming.
Weird, come on. Ya,
Chance.
let's go. Halo Bang, ada Sulan. Mantap, terima kasih. Terima kasih. Selamat datang Sulan.
Significant goal scoring landmark.
Let's go. Bagus nggak tuh tiki taka? Walaupun ngelek.
Utterly inevitable.
That's
Hoki
just a
gitu
great
sih.
finish, but it's down
Ngelek-ngelek
to
bisa
very
tiki-taka.
clever movement. You can see this has been obviously worked on the training ground.
Marcus
He knew
Rashford.
exactly where he wanted the ball, and
Rashford.
it all came good.
Arsenal go into the lead.
Ai, dapat aja dia.
Well, he is the
Banyak
type
banget
of
tuh, bro,
character who
kotak penalti.
rises to this sort of challenge.
Besok rehat Bang, iya. Besok apa namanya?
And the assistant referee
Ada
rightly gives
keluarga,
him
acara keluarga
offside.
bukber. Kayak minggu juga deh, tapi minggu nggak tahu ya.
Mings. Well, that tackle was
Seminggu dari
certainly
zuhur.
sturdy.
Enggak dong, nice, onside.
Partey. Now it's Inzaghi.
Ya Allah, nyangkut aja tuh.
And the referee brings the first half to a
Gue
close.
live YouTube pada songong,
Very
gak
well,
songong,
the
minta dana
pickings
buat
certainly
promosi
have been
subscribe.
rich in this first half. Arsenal hold a skinny lead after a thrilling half. Bring on the second half. It's 3-2.
Live YouTube tuh gimana Bang? Ya, YouTuber-YouTuber kecil maksudnya.
And we're off again. No changes at the interval from either side.
Biasanya YouTuber-YouTuber kecil baik-baik dah. Masih pada
Back to the
sopan.
keeper
ya
they
kan.
go.
Ntar kalau udah mulai naik nih, udah mulai deh.
And here's
Dikasih bola
Inzaghi.
gratis kayak gini. Oke, let's go.
He's in space and looking for options. Oh,
Ah,
that's a fine
kalau Frankie.
interception.
Ayo, ambil.
He's had a shot.
Ayo. Ya,
It's there.
ngelek-ngelek tuh. Padahal.
2 up now, and they are cruising.
Main FIFA bang, FIFA 19 nggak apa-apa. Nanti lah ya,
That was
kulo
a
atur
given.
dulu
It
jadwal.
always was.
Ya mungkin
Yeah, I
eFootball
think
ini
we
bakal
may have had too
digantiin
many
sama
defenders
series
ball
FIFA.
watching then because
Mungkin.
they just lost sight of the real danger.
FIFA 19 tapi bukan FIFA 22.
Arsenal go 2 up and
Saya
into
punyanya
a position
FIFA
of real
19.
strength. Well, everything is going to plan, Peter. A day for a regular managerial heartbeat, at least for one.
Let's go, ayo.
Good ball.
Ayo Inzaghi,
This
kuat.
might spell danger. Oh, shooting
Ya,
chance!
let's go.
And more,
Filippo.
and more, and more. And
Padahal
the
kayak
lead
gitu pun
is
itu udah
extended
promosi.
still
17 tuh udah
further.
banyak pak. Sumpah.
And that
Buat saya udah
really
banyak.
is so
Pokoknya udah kalau udah
impressive.
6, 7
that's
tuh udah banyak
wonderful
tuh.
to see. The run was explosive,
Apalagi waktu itu
the
17,
finish
aduh.
exquisite.
Subscriber
And
langsung
he's
naik
done
pak.
it again.
Sumpah,
He's got
rasanya tuh
his
aduh
second.
semangat banget. Pengen dilanjutin cuma udah buka. Pengen banget dilanjutin waktu itu.
Substitution in progress.
Cuma udah buka ya.
So now we're going to get
Ya,
those changes
mau-mau
we
harus
have
buka
been
dulu.
expecting. So now
Nggak
the
bisa
difference
lanjut.
is 3.
Padahal sayang
Well,
banget
they're
tuh.
very much the better team at the moment, Peter, and no doubt will be looking to cause even more damage here.
Oh, udah 5-2 ya. Kirain masih 4-2.
There will be a throw-in.
Udah Neymar, Anda ya. Neymarnya jadi fullback gitu.
Filippo Inzaghi.
Aduh,
Oh,
Pak.
great ball.
Wait. Ya. Suruh pas
De Jong.
langsung.
It's a good
Filippo
ball,
Inzaghi.
He could be in.
Come on, Filippo
He
Inzaghi.
spotted the run and played him through. He is through here. Oh, he's in. There's the hit.
Ya.
He's got a goal. And with that, he takes home the match ball.
Itu penontonnya satu lagi, satu desa bocil semua.
He was urged to shoot.
Sama pak.
He duly
Saya
delivered.
juga apa?
Well, his
Saya juga bocil
appreciation
semua
of
nih.
space then
Ada
was
beberapa kayak
absolutely exceptional.
kalau siang
A
tuh
moving genius.
bocil-bocil pada datang. Live laginya kapan bang?
The hat-trick is complete.
Live
This
lagi
is
mungkin
frightening
Senin.
football.
Senin udah
He
pasti
has
live kok.
increased defensive fear on the way to
Tapi
that
nggak tahu
hat-trick.
lagi, nggak tahu ya apakah besok atau minggu live. Yang pasti besok enggak. Pasti besok enggak. Ini kenapa lagi nih? Minggu nggak tahu. Mungkin Senin udah fix. Senin fix live. Ada game baru juga nanti. Ya, dia abandon. Ya sudah, saya menang. Berarti. Aduh, 1 poin lagi tuh. Bang, di PES Mobile tanggal 25 mau ada legend gratis. Hah? Ya benar. Auto dapet ya? Pasti dapet itu ya? Kalau gitu. Tapi dia curangnya itu yang nggak subscribe nggak bisa komen. Oh, bisa disetting kayak gitu ya? Lawan Superstar dulu bang. Hah? Oh iya, lawan Superstar dulu. Pasti dapat 100%. Oke. Bisa disetting kayak gitu ya? Kecuali setauku yang bisa disetting kayak gitu tuh di Twitch. Di Twitch tuh harus follow dulu baru bisa komen. Kalau di YouTube gak tahu deh, emang bisa ya kayak gitu ya? Tapi saya open aja deh kalau ada itu. Walaupun kadang apa namanya, ya gitulah. Apa sih? Mau ngomong apa bingung. Bisa bang? Oh bisa. Dari ini ya, YouTube Studio ya berarti ya di settingnya ya. Ah, dapat. Oh bisa loh YouTube kayak gitu loh. Saya nggak pernah setting-setting kayak begitu kan. PES Mobile tuh kenapa ya? Apa namanya? Error mulu, Pak. Retry gitu. Servernya penuh mulu. Kayak mau main online kok susah banget. Dapat lawannya susah. Nyepin, Bang. Belum bisa. Nggak ada ininya. Apa namanya? Nggak ada koinnya. Saya harus beli. Beli pun nggak ada duitnya. Ya gitulah. Menarik musuhnya. Alejandro Gomez, IMF, Forlan, Romelu Lukaku, Frank Kessie, Wilfred Didi, Jorginho siapa sih itu? Wijnaldum, Roberto Carlos, Cellini, Kimpembe, Jesus Navas, Rui Patricio. Rui Patricio itu sekarang di Roma ya. Iya ya, di Roma. Rui Patricio. Uh, 107 subscriber. Mantap. Videonya sudah berapa ini? 163. Bang, gue di PES Mobile dapat Forlan. Berapa abis berapa itu MC coin? MC coin habis berapa? Lumayan banget itu, Pak.
Well, good evening to you and welcome on this most perfect evening for a game of football.
Saya kalau mau nge-spin iconic harus di top 1000 atau enggak 1200 minimal. Ya itu kemungkinan besar dapat lah kalau 1000. Oh, gratisan. Oh, yang ini ya, yang main itu ya. Lah. Kok nggak gini? Kenapa nggak kuir?
It's rare for me to look at a fullback as a potential match winner.
Come on.
With Roberto
Tarik.
Carlos, I can make an exception.
Not a defender at all, is he? He's a winger more than that.
Exactly, the Brazilian
Can he finish? It's loose and there's a race for the ball.
Lah. Apa itu barusan? Shoot. Kenapa itu? Barusan. Lo.
Didi. Now the counter. Vitz.
Ayo dong. Jangan nge-lag dong. Astaga. Iya, kayaknya fix saya main FIFA deh ini deh. FIFA. Alah. Ternyata mau ke party itu tadi. Bagus, Otavio.
Vitz. Filippo Inzaghi. He's through and this looks dangerous.
Ntar lu, sabar bro. Sabar. Saya YouTuber FF mainnya cupu, ngendok, subscribe karena banyak karena share berhadiah itu pun nggak yakin kasih hadiah. Bang, minta ID PES Mobile lu dong. Oh ya, bentar abis ini ya. Halo Bang, lu orang mana? Orang Jakarta bro. Jakarta. Lu orang mana bro? Astaga. Langsung kebobolan Pak. Ini kayaknya YouTuber juga tuh, channel tuh. Jangan lupa subscribe ya. Pelanggaran dong wasit. Aduh, ini kenapa sih patah-patah kayak gini? Ya, Lipo, let's go. Bang, Real Madrid atau Barcelona buat sekarang ya? Sekarang Barca. Saya lebih suka Barca sekarang. Kalau dulu semenjak masih ada si Bale, Ronaldo, Varane muda, itu Madrid.
Arsenal grab the
Sekarang Madrid tuh
equaliser
cuma
and
ngandelin
we're all
yang
square. Oh, I think the coach
apa
will
Modric,
really be annoyed
Modric
with that.
sama
The players
Paji,
were still
Paji
thinking about
Benzema
their goal
itu doang.
and just got caught napping.
Kalau
Wirtz.
Vinicius juga kadang kelihatan, kadang enggak, on off juga dia.
Lukaku, and that interception was most necessary. And now the breakaway.
Patah-patah gitu
Wijnaldum
Pak.
gets over an intercept.
Bagus. Come on.
And they can counter here.
Alah,
Now it's
ngelek.
Forlan.
Ngelek sekali. Halo.
Spread out to the left.
Bang, apa tuh?
Roberto Carlos delivers.
Sabar ya.
Shige attempts a clearance.
Sabar, bro.
That's a good intervention. That was what he had to make in the face of danger that was growing.
Ngelek banget.
Intercepted, and
Bang,
that
cara
will
mengatasi
come to
video
nothing.
tidak mau dikaitkan dengan PES, buatin videonya, Bang. Ah,
Roberto Carlos
apa tuh?
looking to break out here.
Cara mengatasi tidak mau dikaitkan. Tidak mau dikaitkan maksudnya gimana, Bro?
Over to the left.
Apa nih? Kasusnya gimana?
Çalhanoğlu is alert to the possibilities. but
Saya
in the
main
end
PES
it's
Mobile
fruitless.
juga cuma main-main doang. Nggak diseriusin.
It's Forlan!
Bel dilupain, Bang. Oh iya, Bel ya. Zaman-zaman yang waktu ngebantai Liverpool 3-1 itu. Terus yang final PSG.
That's a good ball played into space. Room for
Bel
a shot.
sekarang juga kemana
And a
Bel ya?
shot.
Nggak
And he
apa
nearly went
semenjak
all the way.
dia dipinjemin ke Hotspur kan, Tottenham.
He'll have to answer for the rest.
Bel juga cedera mulu sih.
Be disappointed with that.
Kaki kaca disebutnya. Emailnya nggak mau dikaitkan, Bang. Oh, maksudnya My Konami-nya itu, akun Konami-nya. Bang, mana ID PES lu? Sabar, Bro. Abis ini. Saya lagi main. Sabar. Abis ini saya login PES langsung.
Çalhanoğlu, and that's been
Sabar.
intercepted. Now who's going to
Abis
be
ini.
first to this? Now it's Forlan.
Abis match ini.
Roberto
Ini kan-
Carlos. And it's Neymar. Çalhanoğlu, chance to break. Can he put it away?
Kok bisa gitu? Oh, untung aja nggak masuk.
Oh, surely that deserved better.
Well, there are a few pockets of space that are being exploited, and they need filling, and fast.
Langsung ke mix. Tunjukin muka, Bang. Waduh, tunjukin muka. Nggak ada facecam-nya saya, Bro. Nggak punya facecam.
Otavio
Yeah.
really added the
onside.
width there thanks to his willingness to make the run.
Come on, Thomas Partey. Weird. Alah. Iya, Bang. Nggak tahu deh. Saya kurang tahu kalau itu, Pak. Kurang tahu kalau itu. Sorry nih. Maaf. Coba cari di apa namanya di YouTube deh. Coba search aja deh. Soalnya saya setelah login langsung bisa. Ada ininya nggak? Alasannya dari dia nggak? Kenapa nggak bisa dikaitkan? Aduh.
Arsenal applying the press here, a high press.
Yeah, we see this so often these days.
Wah, bagus Neymar. Come on, itu Inzaghi. Nggak bisa di situ. Bikin live mabar PES Mobile, Bang. Gini, Bro. Kalau saya pakai apa namanya? Pakai HP nge-live. HP-nya panas. HP-nya panas. Jadi apa namanya? Dulu tuh awal-awal emang live dari HP kan, sebelum kepikiran bisa nge-live dari PS langsung. Gitu. Panas HP-nya. Doain aja punya ini, Bro. Bisa PC. Jadi live streaming enak. Jadi kalau ntar tiba-tiba FPS drop, tiba-tiba patah-patah, baca komennya juga pun susah kan kalau kayak gitu. Udah iPhone 13, Bang. Waduh, Mending apa namanya? Mending rakit PC langsung atau enggak PS5
And it's Neymar.
daripada begitu
Now
ya.
then, the ball's come loose. Roberto Carlos
Ya,
made a
Carlos
search for a
duel.
fullback,
Ay,
as it turned out
terus James doang
unsuccessfully.
loh.
Neymar. And the shot.
Ya, bagus sekali Neymar.
Scored.
Gue juga live pakai HP parah. Langsung ada pemberitahuan suhu terlalu panas. Iya kan? Baca komen susah.
It is a good finish. The odds were against him.
Ya, di PS aja kayak udah mau meledak, Pak. Kalau lu denger ininya, kipasnya, suara kipasnya. Kedengeran kan ngong, udah kayak mau meledak nih PS. F2 dari 2013.
And that interception was most necessary.
Neymar.
Well, it's good
Neymar.
stuff. This is better. This is a really front-footed approach. Spot on, Peter.
Bagus. Frankie De Jong.
And a
Lah,
shot.
kok gitu? Bang Ozil apa
Finish
Kevin De
certainly
Bruyne?
didn't match the build-up. I think that defense will be feeling mightily relieved now.
Saya kan
They were
jarang
really
nonton
saved by
City
some
ya.
poor finishing then.
Saya dulu tuh lebih suka main pakai
Now
Arsenal.
it's Inzaghi.
Lebih suka nonton Arsenal dulu.
Driving
De Bruyne juga masih muda kan. Saya lebih
Oh, denied brilliantly.
Ozil
The
sih.
keeper really
Karena
dug out his
saya nggak
defense then. A
kurang tahu Pak
magnificent
De
effort.
Bruyne mainnya kayak gimana. Jarang nonton City saya.
That's been intercepted.
Nonton City tuh kayak ya udahlah, City udah pasti menang kan. Ya udah nggak seru
Out to
juga
the left it
nonton.
goes. It's a
Biasanya
pretty loose
nonton
pass.
MU. Buat apa namanya, roasting
Tries a
MU.
shot. It's run loose. Who's gonna get there?
City udah pasti menang Pak.
Oh, and they really should have been
Dia
made to
merem
pay.
juga menang
Well, the work
City.
rate to win the ball back was fantastic and had set up the
Makanya
opportunity.
jarang nonton
That's
City.
great effort.
Kecuali Liga Champions ya.
Oh, that was expansive and incisive, the type of move to please any coach.
Aih, udah
That's
bagus
an
banget itu
excellent
tiki-takanya.
interception.
Segitiga bermuda.
They may end up with some regret with this tactic, but you have to
Ozil.
admire their commitment
Dulu
to
kan
goals.
apa namanya, saya suka Arsenal tuh dulu gara-gara di PES tuh
Now it's
urutan
Phillips.
pertama.
It's run
Nggak
loose
mau
there.
ribet tim yang bagus yang mana.
Partey.
Ya udah Arsenal aja
Octavio.
langsung. Pakai Arsenal mulu
And the
dulu.
counter is
Jangan
on.
lupa mampir Sorjono ya guys ya.
Now
Tuh
it's
mampir bro.
Lukaku. And
Jangan
he's
lupa.
on his way.
Aduh sabar.
Chance to shoot now.
No. Oke.
Paris Saint-Germain
Bang, lu main
might just
domino nggak,
end
Bang?
up
Enggak.
kicking
Nggak
themselves
main.
after that. If they're lucky enough to get
Bang
another,
gacoran Ronaldo
it has
Madrid
to
apa
count.
Ronaldo masih muda? Ronaldo Madrid lah. Dia gak
Ronaldo.
dapat segalanya di Madrid. Gacor-gacornya di Madrid.
And it's Neymar.
Bukan berarti yang muda nggak gacor ya. Saya kan mulai nonton bola pas dia di
Roberto
Madrid.
Carlos. Oh, important interception.
Yeah, it's safe
Aduh,
to say
Forlan
that
bahaya,
they
bahaya
just need
Forlan
to
itu.
manage this to
Kan.
secure the win now.
Ih,
Oh, his
Bisa gitu.
first real chance.
Allah.
Goal. Dying minutes. and
Domino
we're
nggak
all
main, bro.
square again. It was a
Domino kayak gimana sih yang
great finish.
balak-balak
Put it
itu kan,
away
balak
with
2,
great
balak
poise
4 itu
and
kan.
eye accuracy.
Well, I
Kalau
think
nggak
two
salah,
keepers
domino
would have
mah.
had a hard time keeping that one out. Never mind one. There was real venom in the strike and clear composure from the placement.
Substitution.
Kevin De Bruyne.
So all square with almost no time remaining. Neymar. That's Partey. Some really good ball movement.
Ih, kok gitu?
There will be 1 minute added
Nice.
time.
Roberto Carlos. And the shot.
Ay, kok gitu
Now who's gonna
Inzaghi?
be first to
Aduh.
this?
Itu sebelah sononya kosong
He's
tuh
been
padahal.
up try.
Bang, Neymar Barca atau Neymar PSG? Neymar Barca dong, jelas. Neymar Barca Pak, MSN. Messi, Neymar, Suarez. Itu dia, trio, salah satu trio favorit. Ya,
And the
Tri.
referee brings it to a close.
dua-dua
It
lah.
is ended
Kenapa saya yang
level,
seneng?
but most
Perasaan
importantly, they are up a
seri
level.
berasa menang
Any
ini.
reflections on what you've seen, Jim?
Arsenal can really think about enjoying their prize
Anjir,
now,
gua
having
main
finally got
live
promotion out of the way.
Orang aja kayak gitu,
After a tough
selalu
campaign,
bersih kali
I
dia
think this
bersuara
is the
gamenya.
least they deserve.
Sama.
Everything's looking
apa
very
namanya,
good for them at the moment.
ini juga nih, ini karena PS-nya di bawah aja pak, masih kedengeran kan ini, karena PS-nya di bawah aja. Coba PS-nya di atas. Oh iya, ID PES. Oke, saya login dulu ya, sabar, login dulu. Oh, udah promosi, sudah bisa promosi, mantap. Promo ke divisi 7 berarti kita. Gas. Let's go divisi 7. Bentar ya bro, saya nyari ID PES dulu. Sabar, sabar. Sabar ya. Nih. Angka doang kan ya? ID-nya kan ya? Dengar tapi kecil beda. Nih. Angka doang kan? Ketik bang tuh. Dengar tapi kecil beda kayak yang dari. Tuh. Angka doang kan itu? Iya, oke. Aman berarti ya. Divisi 7. Come on. Come on. Bisa, ayo. Bisa. Hari ini divisi 6. Halo Claudio, kamu belum tidur Claudio? Kamu belum tidur? Tumben, biasanya udah tidur. Udah bang, oke. Coba ini deh, klubmu, timmu, nama timmu, ntar aku accept. Palingan jam 11-12. Aduh, jangan begadang-begadang Claudio. Iya, besok libur juga sih. Benar. Kan besok libur ya, benar juga. HP gue pakai DPI, jadi angkanya kepencetnya salah. Kalau yang belum DPI itu yang biar cepet gitu ya. Oke, Reversas. Oke. Sabar ya. Saya nge-accept itu dulu. Aku nge-accept si accept si Suhlon. Kita lihat musuhnya. Apa namanya, information. Aduh, Mas fix goal, Raja fix goal dipasang sama dia. Gimana itu? Ada Carlos Puyol, ada Campbell, Donnarumma, Romario, Haji Nakata. Sabar bro, lagi buka PES saya. PES Mobile. Messi sama Ronaldo nya sama bang, bisa licinin layar. Iya betul, yang DPI biasanya anak-anak FF tuh pakai. Tapi kalau lagi pakai yang AMF 101, waduh, OP bang. Bang main kereta simulator Indonesia itu game mobile ya?
Gathering to get through the gates, but regardless
of
that, there's a great
defense-nya gercep juga nih orang.
and much excitement. Can he finish? Oh, the ball's run loose here.
Defense-nya bagus juga nih, orang jago nih.
Looking to break out here. Wirtz.
Florian.
Otavio fiddles it through. Cristiano Ronaldo. That's an untidy
kemarin.
challenge.
Iya,
Free
itu
kick
game
given.
mobile. Aku nggak nge-live game mobile kayaknya deh. Soalnya HP-nya panas nanti. HP ku HP biasa-biasa aja, bukan HP gamer, bukan
And
HP
it's
gaming.
Fabinho.
Kapan-kapan mabar bang. Oke,
And
siap,
here's Roberto
aman.
Carlos.
Bang ganti game besok ya. Nggak besok.
Now it's Nakata.
Nanti ya, next live ya.
Roberto Carlos.
Next live kayaknya aku
No foul, says the referee.
mau ngurangin e-football deh.
Could move up a gear here.
Next live ya. Besok aku istirahat dulu,
Roll.
capek.
Interesting
Bener.
ball.
Ada
Nakata
bukber juga besok.
providing an outlet on that flank.
Acara keluarga. Jadi ya seperti itulah manusia.
Otavio. Now the
Weekend tuh nggak
counter.
pernah kosong pak.
Now it's Partey.
Makanya jarang live kan
Now it's
weekend.
Inzaghi. All time excellent interception.
Ah,
he's
salah,
bustling
kenapa di
through
sprint ya?
here. Puyol. Anything noteworthy in the early part
Bang
of the
jadiin
match, Jim?
moderator.
Well, I think both teams
Bang
probably
jadiin
feel
moderator
it's,
dong.
it's too
Sering-sering
early for
kesini ya
either to
Sulan
start
ya.
taking
Sulan.
real risks. So
Sering-sering
they're still
sini
very
nanti
much in a
saya jadiin
phase of
moderator.
testing the waters and
Anjing ada
sizing
orang
each other
nonton
up.
live. Orang jadiin live balik. Gila bener.
Sends it forward. And it's Nakata. It's Roberto Carlos.
Kena copyright nggak itu ya?
Roberto
Kalau begitu ya.
Carlos, very
Broadcasting
full tilt down the
copyright.
left.
Broadcast copyright. Ini orang jago pak, ngerti main dia. Oi,
And he has been fouled there.
habis ini aja bang ganti game. Mohon maaf nih Claudio. Mohon maaf Claudio Galeno Wibisono. Ya, saya manusia capek pak, sumpah. Seharian apa namanya? Seharian ini baru balik ini, baru balik tadi
Hops for
setengah 9
safety.
baru balik.
Well, he's going to be disappointed with that.
Kagak ada yang bisa dibuat konten
Raul
paling
plays
iya.
it in.
Makanya ya orang sampai segitunya.
And he
Kenapa
just
dia nggak live
whacks it
streaming
away.
aja sendiri?
Fabinho.
Kan sama aja kan?
Nakata. The ball is
Pakai
loose and the chase
screen
is
juga.
on.
Ah salah, mingsnya
Ronaldo
kosong.
gets it back, and the
Ya
shot!
udah masuk. Ya
They've
udah.
scored! That really
Bang
is
Beckenbauerku
quite
legend.
fabulous.
Beckenbauerku
All his own
ikonik.
doing. Yeah, and having the thrust to get there is one thing, having the composure to score is
Tapi
another.
saya tidak punya Forlan. Sama
Rangers
tadi apa tuh yang 101
break the
tuh?
deadlock.
Still a fragile
IMF-nya.
lead though. They can't afford to sit on this.
Oh, he's managed to pitch it
Ai.
off him. Looks a foul. Yeah, referee's
Orang
given it.
segitunya ya. Jangan begitulah. Konten orang dijadiin konten.
So, what can they
Oh
come
iya
up
Messi
with here?
101.
And this an opportunity to pull level. Now it's Otavio. Partey.
Ah, come on. Ayolah. Tuh orang-orang jago kayak gini tuh main gak nge-lag pak. Orang-orang kayak
Oh,
tadi aja
Joel.
nge-lag. Ah,
There's a
pelanggaran.
foul. Free kick's been given.
Soalnya bentar lagi aku mau main PS. Nggak apa-apa, main aja. Kamu Senin udah libur belum? Aduh,
He's got plenty of space out wide here.
apa santai?
Great
Aih,
lead.
untung aja itu.
Now, who's going to be
Tangan
first to
siapa
this?
itu? Wah, bagus
And the
Oliver Kahn.
keeper's in command.
Oliver Kahn punya kelas.
De Jong. Now it's Inzaghi.
Wah, bagus Inzaghi.
Now it's Otavio. Nice physical challenge.
Bagus Otavio, masih kuat.
A real chance if he can get through.
Aku Jumat minggu
Defenders
depan.
on the back
Oke.
foot.
Berarti Senin masih masuk ya.
Oh, played through for the wide man. Well intercepted, and it certainly needed to be.
Bagus.
Wriggles his way through.
Roberto Carlos berbahaya
And that
sekali.
is out and
Gua gak
behind.
paham
It's a
dah
good
jadi
block.
mod itu bisa bikin apa, gak paham gua. Bisa bikin ini biar apa namanya bisa ngapus komen, terus namanya jadi biru seperti itu. Bang habis ini gacha aku tidak punya duit lagi. Kau mau lihat harga koinnya berapa? Nanti aku kasih tahu harga koinnya berapa. Aku libur sekolah bang dari tanggal 25 sampai tanggal 10. Oh, aku dari 3 minggu yang lalu, sebulan yang lalu saya sudah libur. Sampai Juli nanti. Cuma itu doang kah adalah. Iya, sama nama biru ya.
Roberto Carlos can get it clear.
Dan apa namanya, kalau bisa dibilang, kalau moderator,
And now a sudden chance to
kalau di
counter.
youtuber gede ya, yang
Well, it's
dipercaya
Inzaghi.
lah
Oh, they could break here.
sama
Now it's
youtubernya,
Otavio.
yang paling dikenal juga
Good spot. He's seen the run.
dibanding viewer lain.
Otavio. Oh, he's going to be pulled back for that one.
Bang, Okanku 94, Okanku
Half-time nearly
96.
with us. They will be desperate not to concede here. They're taking a moment to consider their options.
Dor, alah. Demikian
Driving on
rupa,
and making good
mikir.
progress. Looking for the runner.
Enggak dong,
Ronaldo
maksudku.
gets flagged
Bang, tahu
offside.
Kidik Edits gak? Channel dubbing bola, tahu yang fix goal itu kan. Itu salah satu dubbing bola yang sukses menurut saya.
De Jong.
Mulai betingkah deh.
Now it's Wirtz.
Astaga.
Fabinho.
There will be 1
Intercepted,
minute
and that
added
will come to
time.
nothing. Oh, just skips past his man.
Udah gol.
Great ball, and he
Fix goal.
shows it chance.
Nggak fix gol.
It's loose, and there's a race
Oliver
for the
Kahn
ball.
kipernya.
And there is the
Mod
half-time whistle.
itu kalau
There
komen
we
di
are, off they go for
pada
half-time.
kalau
The
yang nggak
breakthrough
jadi
did
mod.
indeed come in the
Kalau
first
dong
half,
pasti.
but there has
Mod
only
itu kalau
been that
komen
one
di
goal.
pada
It is
kalau yang
very,
nggak
very
jadi
tight.
mod.
It's a dressing room that needs
Gimana tuh?
rousing at
Mod
half-time
itu
because
kalau
in truth, they've
komen
not really been at it so far.
dibaca
If the
bukan
pep talk
pada.
works, we may
Oh,
see a very
mod itu
different
kalau
side second
komen
half. We need to.
So we're just settling back
nggak
into this
jadi
second
mod
half.
kalau lihat doang pasti. Apa tuh?
Cristiano Ronaldo.
Sumpah, aku nggak paham pak itu pak.
Good run,
Bang,
lovely
shorts aku
take,
ikonik.
but that is where it stops.
Shorts aku nggak punya
Cristiano Ronaldo
aku nggak
has
punya shorts
every
bang.
reason to be disappointed after being played
Aku
in
nggak
so
punya
well.
shorts,
The
Bang.
gaffer won't let him forget that. We're seeing some really good pressure being applied here, Peter,
Wah,
particularly
ini orang
from those
jago
guys up
banget
front.
pak.
Yeah, and it
Lihat aja
just, I
cara main
suppose,
dari tadi.
denies the others time and
Sabar,
space.
pegang
Well, I
bola,
would call it
possession
Now the
game,
finish.
sekali
And the follow-up.
nendang
Oh,
mematikan.
taken with style.
Dibaca bukan pada. Dibukan
And with
pada.
that goal comes comfort.
Ntar ganti
Arsenal
DPD dulu,
really
bingung
were
bacanya
asking
kalau
for
salah
trouble
terus.
there by failing to cope with a formidable press.
Rangers get themselves a two-goal cushion. Well, at 1-0, this
Orang jago
contest was still
banget.
nicely poised.
Divisi
but now
7
that
emang
it's gone
beda
to
ya.
two, mindsets are
Memang
affected a lot
berbeda
more. Winning
divisi
belief
7
one way
nih.
and that losing feeling the other.
Bang, main PES Mobile dari kapan? Sebenarnya udah lama main PES Mobile, cuma jarang dimainin pak.
Fabinho.
Saya tuh akhir-akhir ini lagi main ini Clash Royale.
Raul.
Lagi seru tuh Clash Royale sama COC.
And it's
Saya baru
Fabinho.
mulai COC.
Out to the left it
Kalau
goes.
Clash Royale udah
Good
lumayan
read.
lah.
Did well to step in there. That was more than necessary. And that's
Buset,
been
kok dapat aja
intercepted.
dia. Tomiyasu, come on. Otavio deh
And they
ini.
win it back again.
Bukan Tomiyasu.
Aldair.
Bang, Spider-Man udah tamat, Claudio. Nanti ada Senin ada game baru kok. Senin ada game baru. Ada game
And
seru.
here's from Mario. Partey.
Gamenya game legend.
And here's from Mario. Raul. Well seen.
Apa
Saw
namanya,
that
berhubungan dengan dewa.
The attendance
Kayak gitu.
Opportunity for Arsenal to break.
62,005.
Lah kok ke situ?
Quite squeezed
Passingnya
that one
bukan ke
through.
Inzaghi.
He acknowledges
Cewek
that
aku
he should have
TH8
come up with
bang.
something better there.
Aku baru
The idea
TH3.
was right. The delivery
Baru
wasn't.
main sehari,
They
Bang.
can revisit that further on.
2 hari lah. Baru main 2 harian.
Played out to the
Aku
left
tuh main
flank.
COC gara-gara Ciduk
He
Warrior.
is through here. In towards the middle.
Bang, main game
Roberto Carlos tries to clear.
Ntar lu sabar, saya lagi counter. Bang, main game PS abang yang belum pernah dimainin. Ya itu, dewa-dewa itu.
That's Fitz.
Ih, kok ke situ, bukannya ke Frankie. God of War ya, iya betul.
Nakata.
Tahu aja kamu.
And it's Roberto Carlos.
Penerus Raja Meksiko kau bang, semua game dimainin.
It's Raul!
Ini adalah aku, Raja
Oh, that is
Meksiko,
rather wayward.
El
Well, it was hit
Matadore,
with
Salvador,
great power, Peter,
Tequila,
but
El
sadly
Control ya.
not great precision.
Apal pak saya pak. Ini zaman. Ada DJ-nya kan di
Pretty
situ.
loose pass. Romario. Raul
No.
he's had a shot.
Wah bagus.
And it's hoisted clear.
Udah pasti kalah juga sih ini.
Fabinho does really well to win the ball there. Now looking to orchestrate a counter. Neymar. Roberto Carlos. I
Ai.
wouldn't fancy playing up front in
Bagus.
these
Neymar, come on.
circumstances, to be honest. There's absolutely no supply.
Ah,
It's a good
offside.
ball and it could be
Ya.
in. And the assistant referee
Bang Oliver Kahn atau
gives
Peter
him
Cech? Oliver Kahn lah
offside.
jelas. Iya Ciduk Warrior kalau War Liga dipikir keras banget dia mikirnya makanya pak. Ya kan coret-coret. Terus main ini Queen Walk. Bang tau album film nggak? Album film nggak tahu aku apa itu. Apa itu emang? Album film. Ini zaman sudah beda. Disconnect kayak musuhnya. Enggak.
Are able now to make their substitution. It's been on the cards for a
Oliver
few
Kahn
moments
ku
now.
bener mulu bang. Kalau Oliver Kahn jangan dimajuin bro. Sama kayak Peter Cech dia, defensive goalkeeper.
Locked in behind. That's a promising ball.
Mungkin kalau dimajuin harus bener-bener timingnya harus pas. Beda sama Neuer, Donnarumma.
A communication breakdown there, it
Majuin
seems.
dah.
And the
Playable
counter
goalkeeper.
is on.
Apa ya kalau di futsal tuh namanya?
Filippo Inzaghi.
Yang kipernya ikut main.
Now it's Wirtz.
Ayolah 1 gol lah. Channel
Really
alur
has
cerita
the
film.
confidence
Aduh,
and
aku
skill
jarang
to be able to hold the
nonton
ball up like
alur
that
cerita
until
film.
support arrives a little sooner.
Pernah sih nonton.
Just maybe there he
Kamar
overdid
film
it
tuh aku
slightly and
nonton
should have
dulu.
released it because
Sama ini Movie
support was
Rastis.
arriving quickly.
Dulu aku nontonnya itu. Soalnya apa ya,
That
kalau
interception
dapat
was
rekomendasi film
most
nih,
necessary.
mending nonton sendiri pak,
Neymar not
daripada
want to
di
pass
ini,
up the chance to
daripada
run up the
ceritain.
defense. He loves those duels.
Pemahaman
Well,
dia
that
sama
run
pemahaman
had balance
kita kan
and
beda lah.
control, skill and strength. The
Kalau
sort
di
of
alur
desire
cerita film kita nggak bisa
with hope and
nebak-nebak
strength.
nih. Tegangnya
Now the
tuh nggak
breakaway.
dapet pak.
Neymar tries to crash through the challenge, but no.
Lebih seru nonton langsung. Apalagi saya belakangan ini lagi suka drakor.
This is De Jong.
Sumpah pak,
Now it's
drakor
Roberto Carlos.
apa namanya, nggak
Oh,
expect
he's
aku
picked out the runner.
bakal sebagus itu. Gue comeback COC gara-gara di beranda YouTube gue ada Bang Scott.
Red,
Oh Bang
nice
Scott,
interception.
langsung unduh itu lagi itu APK COC. Ya Bang Scott tahu tuh saya tuh.
There will be
Raul.
1 minute
Acaci
added time.
nama aku
Decent
Bang. Oh di
looking
PES
ball.
ya. Oke.
Oh, that is a good ball to find him.
Loh. Untung aja.
Otavio.
Nah, ya kalah.
So that's it. It is all
Nonton
over.
replay
Well, much worry in the
1988 dong.
street, but that
Saya lagi
alone
nonton ini
is simply
Taxi
not
Driver.
enough. They are beaten
Aku
by
lagi
the better
nonton
side.
Taxi
Your
Driver
final
itu.
thoughts, Jim?
Ah, ini udah ada
simply
nih.
weren't good enough to play through the pressure put on their
Extra
defense and were
half.
duly picked off.
User information, friend
So just time
request.
for me to say thanks
Nah
to
ini
Jim.
dia. Repersas ini dia. Accept. Dah. Udah mas. Nang nong ning. Oh nang nong ning. Nonton replay 1988. Bang tahu Jokowi. Mohon maaf, siapa yang tahu Jokowi? Siapa yang nggak tahu Jokowi? Mohon maaf aja nih. Siapa yang nggak tahu Jokowi? Lah, itu match abandon ya? Berarti nggak kehitung dong. Alhamdulillah, ya Allah nggak kehitung. Kenapa tuh? Kok nggak kehitung? daftar, kita mabar-mabar Suhlan. Cek ini aja Discord. Ada di deskripsi. Discordnya ada kan? Coba lihat. Iya tuh ada. Boleh join situ. Masuk Discord biar rame. Bang sampai jam berapa? Sampai capek. Aku mau nge-push divisi ini dulu, Claudio. Sebenarnya udah capek sih, ini udah pegel nih pinggang. Sumpah. Nih. Kursi plastikku ini. Gue lebih suka nonton anime sih, OTW ibu. Sumpah ya, anime tuh yang satu-satunya anime ya yang ku tonton ya. Cuma ini Attack on Titan doang. Itu pun cuma sampai season 3. Final seasonnya nggak ditonton. Entah kenapa. Bang, Netflix